welcome back to Drawing for Kids. To start off, let's go over what material you'll need. You need some Crayola markers, which you can use any color markers that you like. Next, you also need some paper. In addition to that, you'll need some black markers, such as Sharpies. Okay, so as I'm going along, I'll go step by step on how to draw this character, but I really like to invite you to add your own little twist to it to make it your own. There's no pressure to necessarily draw exactly what I have, but let's use that as a guidance to see what we can come up with. As always, remember to add in a little bit of your imagination to make it your own. You can do this drawing with your family and friends, and at the end of it, maybe check out how everybody's drawing turned out at the very end. Are you ready? So we're gonna get started. For today's drawing, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. I'm gonna do a cute flower kid, like something like dressed in maybe a flower costume, but just some really fun colors. So you ready? So let's get started and paint this flower kid. We're gonna start off by drawing the flower kid's face or the head itself. Here's the 2 ears on the side, and of course I'm going to add in some hair or bang that's going to be like coming out from like right underneath the flower head costume for this child. And then here's the bottom part of the face. If you want, you can make it a little bit rounder, you can make it a different face shape if you like. For the eyes, I'm just gonna do 2 dots, but if you like, you can do a big round circle for each of the eyes as well. Here I have a pretty good layout for the face, and of course next I'm going to draw the flower. So we're going to draw a big round oval around the face and then draw one petal at a time. For my petals, they're almost like oval shape but not complete because they're like half an oval. You see they're all like a little bit different in shape a little bit, in that like some are longer, some are shorter, some are a bit more round, and I think that's completely okay. Up to you. If you like, you can draw the petals to be a lot larger or a lot smaller, or maybe some small and some large ones. Just use your imagination and have fun with it. Next, I'm going to draw a small dotted line to signify where the crease is for the flower, and I think my flower kit is coming along quite quickly. Next, I'm going to draw the body. So here my flower kit's going to be wearing this long skirt, and then I'm going to do the arms on each side. Very simple, I'm not drawing every single finger. And then I'm going to draw the legs and the foot as well. So here you can see that my foot is not exactly even from left to right, but I'm okay with that. I think maybe one of the flower kids' legs is like a little bit more forward and they're posing, so it doesn't need to be exactly perfect. So now I'm finished with the outline. I'm going to start coloring in my flower kid. So here I'm using my orange marker, and this is where you can have fun with it and think about like what kind of designs you would like to have on the flower kid's dress. Do you want polka dots, or maybe stripes, flowers, or maybe you can even write your own initials for your name on it. I think it's helpful to think about like what you plan on doing with the piece. Is this a story that you're trying to tell, or perhaps you're gifting this to a friend? And then in that case, maybe think about what's your friend's favorite color, or what is their name, or what kind of shapes they like. Maybe they like stars, or maybe they like puppies, and you might want to draw a little puppy's face on this dress. So here I'm almost done a stripy pattern because I thought that will be fun. Of course, you can always redo this drawing and just do a different pattern for your next flower kit. You don't have to feel pressured that you can only do this one design. Next, I'm using my yellow color to color in the petals. If you want, you can use rainbow colors, so it could be different colors for every petal, or maybe you just have 2 of your favorite colors, which is like maybe lilac and pink. You can choose to do alternating colors of pink and lilac for all the flower petals. So just have fun with it. It doesn't need to look exactly the way I have it. I think the most important part is just enjoying the process of drawing. It's never going to be perfect, and I think that's what makes art so unique. Your piece can be very different from mine, and that's perfectly fine. Keep in mind that I've done a lot of practice before I got to the stage where I can kind of freehand and draw as it is. So like if you want to get better in your artwork, the secret is to practice, 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 and don't give up because you eventually get there. Here I'm just coloring in the petals, trying my best to color within the lines and fill in any white gaps. Of course, it's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. I'm certainly trying my best and I'm really enjoying how this is coming out. So after I finish the petals, I still have to color in the face as well as the arms and the legs as well as like the hair. So I'm trying to think of what colors will go well with this yellow and orange. I feel like it's a very spring vibe. Maybe I'll use a little bit of brown for the hair. If you like, can do black. Now, so far, if you like these type of videos, these easy step-by-step drawings, I would love it very much if you would consider subscribing and joining this YouTube family, and also consider liking this video because that will really help in getting people to know more about these videos that are free and available for anyone who is interested in learning more about these easy step-by-step drawings. Now I'm using this flesh or apricot color to color in the face. I'm going to slowly do that and also work my way to the arms and the legs. To wrap up, I'm just gonna use this pink color to color in the mouth. You're probably curious why I didn't do that until the very end, because I thought I don't want to use a black marker for the mouth. I want the mouth to have a little bit of color, so I'm using the pink. That's also very helpful for adding a little bit of blush to the cheeks. So here, I think it looks pretty good so far, just making sure I fill in any gaps. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy step-by-step video of this flower kid drawing. I think it's looking so cute. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for joining me on this video, and hopefully I will see you next time. Take care and stay creative, everyone. Bye for now.